Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing the unboxing video of the Sundrenched collection from Cocoa Daisy. This is the kit that will be available for the month of August. And I am on the design team, so the kits are sent to me so that I can play with them and provide you with inspiration on how to use the products further. When I get sent the kit, I get the, just so you understand how to order, the Scrapbooking Core Kit is this envelope right here. And then you can add on the 12 by 12 papers and the journaling cards. So these two are just add-ons to the core kit. That way there's not like duplication in your ordering, because there used to be, if you used to get like the modern memory keeping kit and the 12 by 12, you know, you got two sets of enamel dots, two sets of alphas, two sets of the same die cuts. So they're trying to decrease the repeat products. That way you'll use them all. And that's how they've altered the ordering system so that you're clear. And then I also select out this month the journaling kit, which is super fun. I usually like to use these products in my memory planner because everything stays flat. Okay, so let's start off with the core kit, and then I will show you the paper add-ons and the journaling cards. So you always get it in the fun envelope, which is always convenient. Right on the top, we can see a bag of colorful buttons. So corals, yellows, orange, light blue, and like a minty green color. That's a different supply to use. I'm excited about that. The classic enamel dots, the pink, the light pink, hot pink, corally red, like a watermelon color, like a light orange, and yellow. The stamp set, mine doesn't have the overlay, but there is a like florally border here. There's a hummingbird, looks like some texture. A little flourish here. This one says, "Good day under the fun." No, wait. Good day and a fun time. Then this one, "Let the sun shine." Relove, renew, refresh, repeat. Something like that. Mine are the sample ones. So they don't have the black kind of image overlay. So that's why it's hard to read for me. The die cut pack. And for the die cut pack, it looks like a bunch of tags and journaling bits. Now we have a few floral images, a bunch of journaling spots. There we go. These seem to be maybe some sort of envelope. Let me see. Or just a file. They look like files. Okay, yeah. So they're files that you fold up. Oh, cute. Like this. And they have the tabs in the different areas. So you get 3 of them in that. A hot pink with a subtle grid layout, grid print on it. Let me show you. Okay, the washi tape is like hot pink, which I adore. And there's a subtle grid on there. Can you see that? It's probably going to be hard. It's very subtle. Very subtle hot pink washi. Tiny phrase stickers, black on black, like black cardstock. The chipboard elements. Ooh, a yellow puffy alpha. I like the yellow. Here are the rub-ons. Ooh, I love the watercolor mark. So this looks like the stamp border. That kind of element right there, right there. And the hummingbird too is one of the stamps. So that's what it kind of looks like. Ooh, I love the watercolor florals. Okay. Then you have the 6x8. And so it repeats. So you have the orange floral, a grid, and then, oh, that one's so gorgeous. And on the back side is a good plaid with the colors, a doodly black and white floral, and then the ombre rainbow stripes. Ooh, I love the colors in this. This is pretty. Okay, let me just scooch that over for now so you don't have to watch me put packaging back together. And so that was the core kit. So then the journal cards that come with it. Open, that's my piece for the vellum. The journal cards that come with the kit. So that's the scrapbooking core kit are, we start off with the August. These sort of repeat for each month with the month. I really like that. There's that classic one we just saw on 6x8. Ooh, love that journaling card. A quote and end of summer, almost like a bucket list kind of moment. Very pretty. Favorite summer moments. Oh, I like this collection too. Ooh, these are, I've been having a bunch in a row that are like very good. Okay. August. And I definitely love the colors. This card is repeated every month too. This go-to place. Oh, so pretty. The illustrations once again. And the photorealism pictures. Really, really good. Love that. Ooh, that's at the back of that one. Normal things. Summer days. Oh, this is really pretty. More because I think I'm struck the color combination for me really is something I always gravitate towards. You know, the pinks, the blues, the yellow, orange. Oh, it looks painted. Can you see the texture in that? Relax, renew. That's what the stamp says. This doodly one, yes. Relax, renew, refresh, repeat. This stamp set in the corner is this. Bloom and grow. Back to school. Oh, that's on like chalkboard. Cute. Yes, baby. Yes. Ugh, love that too. This is really pretty. Okay, and then the 12x12s to go along with it. So that's the repeat. Really pretty, both of them. The doodly black and white and the good grid. Really pretty. Gorgeous. Classic stripe. Oh yeah, I'm going to have fun with this one. There's the plaid. Oh. Yes, these illustrations are really nice. Here's a nice ledger, almost kind of like a olivey, greeny, yellow color. Oh, and then the dried wood. The chipped paint dried wood. Very pretty. The ombre striped, and then that classic one that repeats a lot. This is really pretty again. Oh, I'm so excited. This is really pretty. Okay, love everything. Then for the journaling kit, this is my, what is it, second time in a row getting this one. I switched it up from I used to get the memory keeping sticker kit. And I liked that one too. I'm trying to really decide which. They're very similar, I will say that. I think though with the memory keeping sticker kit, it is just a pack of stickers, where this one also comes with extra rub-ons. And for this month, look how gorgeous these are. So these are the rub-ons. Look at the little dragonfly too. Love the watercolor. I really do love the colors. See the magic in every little exquisite thing. And then this is the suggested journaling prompts, which I really do like. And I'm currently in the month of June, and I am using the prompts. So you'll see some of my pages just in addition. But they're really good. And I appreciate that, because sometimes you don't know what to journal sometimes, you know, especially for me. I don't like to just journal like the day-to-day stuff. Like today, you know, Valentina did such and such, or today was a bad day because of such and such. I really like having these thought-provoking ones. For instance, you know, all of them. What colors always make you happy? What do you usually put on toast? What do you think about when you can't fall asleep? So, you know, things that are probably touching you. Do you prefer sunrise or sunset? 3-minute brain dump. What are your favorite floral fragrances? You know, so things you probably wouldn't really think about. Then the washi tape is black with a scripty font going on. Very subtle. And do I make out any words there? Not really. All right, so it's just the black with like a script text. The illusion of script text. And then finally are the stickers in this kit. And why I like the stickers, so that's a little bit of a difference too. So with the memory keeping one, I didn't really get like planner-esque stickers. And in this one, I sort of do, because I like the days of the week. So you get days of the week, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fonts. of the days of the week, which I really like in my memory planner, and then all the dates too. So this is why this one is, I guess, more of the journaling kit, because if you do these prompts and stuff every day, you can decorate all your pages throughout the month to kind of coordinate. So these are on washi sticker paper. This is the clear sticker paper. And then this one, these kits, you get these cool ones. Even though I will say these have been challenging for me to use. It's a whole sheet. I haven't used these full sheet ones at all. So I have a bunch of them, to be honest. And then the full sheet of the doodle. Here are the icons. This one too is also on the washi paper. And then a fun alpha that's kind of like a typewriter font, which is really cute. Okay, so this is the unboxing portion. Let's get creating something using these products from this month's kit page. We are using products only from Cocoa Daisy today, and I'm using the 6x8 with this gorgeous floral. And we're just gonna probably use white cardstock for the other half of it, so I have to cut it out. Is it gonna be... Actually, yeah, that might work out, and then I can just cut it there. So that's the game plan there. And then because this is an oval shape, I took my 4x6 and I cut an oval template on my Silhouette Cameo, and I've already traced it on the back so that I can cut that out. Even though I should have maybe put that on the Cameo plate, but it's okay because at least I had control as to where I wanted it to be, and that way the oval will fit perfectly there. So I definitely will keep this around because it fits a 4x6 sort of perfectly. So I did that once. And so that's all I'm working with so far. Other than that, I have all the pieces pulled, but I do think I want to use these little files that came in the kit. I know I want to use the buttons again. We have the enamel dots, think of a title, some chipboard. So I have everything here at my disposal and the stamp set ready to go. I even cut out more pictures just in case. So this is our starting point. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so you already know the game plan. We are cutting out my photo into an oval shape to fit on that lovely paper that is 6x8 in the Scrapbooking Core Kit. I think I only had to cut like a 1/4 inch off of each side, but I am already backing it to the layout I just finished before it, so it worked out easy to know where to cut my lines. And then just the other side was using the white cardstock. From this point, I knew I wanted to use those little file folders that were in the core kit. Sometimes with products like that, I know we all might be a little hesitant to use them because you're like, oh, how am I supposed to use this? But I definitely challenged myself with making them almost like a hidden spot. So I made a hidden spot for journaling or a photo. So you could have journaled or you could have done a photo like I did. I did 2 photos, so I just printed them as 3x4. So I made a collage, 2 3x4s on one 4x6, and I printed it on my Epson Picture Mate, and it worked out perfect to have a little open tuck spot for both of these photos to be there. These are photos my sister recently came down from Jersey. And when she comes, it's just, obviously we try to do 22 million things in, you know, like the 3 days for the weekend that she's here. And that's what happened here too. So for one of them, I folded or scored the photo. And then the other one, I just cut it at like the 2-inch mark. And both ways worked well in case you do find inspiration from this layout to try them out. I actually think cutting it is a little bit smoother and easier to keep the file folder closed on the layout. But they both worked out just the way they should. So on the one that's floral, I added a chipboard piece that says summertime, I want to say. And then the one that was more of a solid, I put a quote sticker on it from the sticker sheets available. I'm spelling out good vibes with the yellow alphas that come in the set as well. And I thought about arching good vibes around the edge of the photo too. That could have been done. You could have also kept it on the pattern paper itself, but I felt that it was a bit lost there. And so, you know, just having it straight across on the bottom worked out perfectly in my opinion. So I am going ahead and adhering those, and then found 2 other tags that were in the die cut pack, also in the Scrapbooking Core Kit, that I thought worked good and just complemented. When you're working with a kit, it's very easy for everything to always already coordinate really well. So that's never an issue. It's just more or less for me that it doesn't fit, you know. The only thing I wish I had in the Scrapbooking Core Kit were more die cuts of the floral embellishments, because the rub-ons and such, you know, need to have such a smooth surface, and they're not great for layering over like 2, you know, cardstock ephemera bits like I had here. I think that was the only thing I felt was lacking from the kit. But other than that the collection is absolutely stunning. So be on the lookout for anything that I do with Cocoa Daisy and the Sundrenched collection, because all 4 of my projects are just so pretty and bright. I mean, just look at these colors. This is definitely a collection I can get down with. And what I'm doing right now is just adding a few little like mint green paper clips in order to keep those file folders closed while they're on the layout, because they did kind of poke up still. But I didn't mind adding paper clips, and it worked out great. Okay, that will wrap up this layout in my Traveler's Notebook Life Crafted album from Cocoa Daisy. So this turned out well. I love this alpha stickers. They are just so good. I love the dimension. They're like squishy, puffy letters. Did a little bit of embellishing. I probably could have added some buttons somewhere over here. And then I just did that light splattering of the Heidi Swap mint green color shine. And then I know there were paper clips in the previous kit. I just can't find them right now. So I just used regular, like kind of like minty green ones that will hold the photos that go here. And it will be a little tricky to constantly put them on, but it's not going to be something that's open regularly. So simple, sweet, love it. It's in there. It's in there. I'm going to leave it open so that it dries, and I will leave everything I use linked down below for your shopping convenience. As always, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And until next time, everyone, bye.